If you're looking for the ultimate combination of innovation, practicality, and performance, whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or just love to upgrade your home toolkit, then you're in the right place. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Rod Holder Strap. The Booms Fishing RS3 Lure Fishing Rod Holder Belt Strap is a must-have for anglers who need reliability on the go. Designed with rod tie suspenders, it keeps your rods secure during transport or while moving spots. The bait loop is a small but impactful touch, giving you easy access to lures. Built with durable materials, this tool ensures a longer service life. Strong viscous loops and a balanced hook side give superior rod bundling that's quick to apply and remove. Number 5. Fish Finder Camera. This 4.3-inch IPS monitor visual fish finder delivers a high-definition underwater view like never before. With 1000 TVL CMOS clarity and 8 infrared lights for night vision, you'll spot your catch even in dark or murky waters. The wide 120 degrees angle, 15-meter cable, and rechargeable 2,600 mAh battery give you 5 to 8 hours of real-time viewing. Built with a sunshield and available in 10 languages, this fish finder is incredibly portable and functional in all weather conditions. Number 4. Bait Boat GPS. The GPS Intelligent Fishing Bait Boat takes remote fishing to the next level. With a 500-meter range, dual motors, and a quick 60 meters/min sailing speed, you can place bait with pinpoint precision. Built-in GPS ensures auto-return when signal is lost. Made from durable ABS with night-friendly warm white lights, this double-body boat can handle wind and water with ease. Perfect for serious fishermen who want smarter control. Number 3. Egg Opener Tool. The 304 stainless steel egg opener is a clever kitchen essential. With a press-to-open mechanism, it cracks eggshells with surgical precision in seconds. The triangle pressure design focuses force perfectly, while the detachable egg filter cleanly separates yolk and white. An included egg rack prevents spills, and the spring rebound mechanism makes egg beating easy and fatigue-free. Crafted from rust-resistant SUS 304 stainless steel, this tool is long-lasting and dishwasher-safe. Number 2. Mini Knife Sharpener. Small but mighty, the Huaho Mini Knife Sharpener uses triple-wheel sharpening technology to handle all your blade needs. The suction base locks it securely for one-handed use, while the V-type groove ensures precise blade alignment. Emery for repair, tungsten steel for rough grinding, and ceramic for fine polishing. This compact sharpener restores even the dullest knives in just 3 to 5 pulls. A smart choice for chefs, campers, or anyone tired of dull blades. Number 1. Rivet Gun Adapter. The electric Rivet Gun Adapter turns your drill into a powerful nut riveter. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or other materials, this tool delivers precise nail insertion every time. The strong metal build ensures long life, while the simple plug-in-use design makes it perfect for both professionals and DIYers. It fits most electric drills and is ideal for furniture assembly, metalwork, or home renovation projects. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.